G'day guys, we're coming to you here from the Springs 4-wheel drive park. We've been out getting the cars dirty and having a great time. Just wanted to tell you about a new product that we've got for Direction Plus, and it's accessory for fuel manager. I've got one in my car located here, and it's great technology. Shows you when water's in the fuel and it saves your injection system. But like on the Ranger kits, it's really hard to see that glass bowl. So now we've created an alarm that gives you the best of both worlds. Let me show you. So that alert system, as soon as you turn your ignition on, it'll chirp to let you know that it's working. This is what it does. You get that audible alert, couple of quick flashes, tells you that everything's working and it will keep you safe and sound. So if you have one of our fuel managers, you'd be used to looking in the glass bowl to see if there's any water come through in your fuel. We've now got a great accessory that can keep you alert at all times. Basically, there's a water sensor that gets substituted for the plug. That simply gets unscrewed. So once you put your sensor in the bottom of the bowl, the harness goes on here. You run it back through the firewall, and then you've got that audible alert and flashing LED as well to tell you if you have a problem. So for any of our previous customers or new customers, if you want to get the fuel manager as the latest protection and get our accessories, this alarm system is available as both an upgrade or with your original purchase. Just go to directionplus.com.au for more information.